Hi guys,
No, I'm on
welcome
fire.
back to Crash a Car. Today I'm gonna be driving this dumb little thing.
No!
Oh.
Hello.
I exploded. I'm gonna make this fun.
Let's get.
Yeah, me too.
All right, I gotta be back. Hold on.
You got a tractor?
Yes,
Why
I
do
have
you
a
have
tractor.
a tractor?
Because I want to ride a tractor.
Oh, oh,
Hey!
He want to be a yeehaw.
I want to be a yeehaw. Oh, Ronald, you're gonna be in the back.
Yes.
All right, cool. Let's go.
Women and children in the back.
Yes, women and children. Ronald, you're an exception.
Yes, I'm free.
What?
Well, I'm a pro.
Hey!
Ow! I'm a fragile furry. Help me! Stop ramming into me! Or into
Stop
my
ramming
box.
into the tractor! The somehow indestructible tractor. Oh,
Oh,
I lost
cut
my
off.
piece. I lost my cargo. I don't know how to put it back on. Ronald, get on the top of my car. Ronald, get on the top of my car.
Okay.
Move.
We gotta go.
Oh,
Uh-oh. This is the craziest traffic stop ever.
What's he doing? That maneuver. He can't even.
Get me out of here.
oh no!
Wait, Ronald, that bike
Good one.
really sucks.
This is a motorbike.
Ah, the baby police.
Come on, let's go.
Oh.
Let's go this way.
I'm strong.
Don't worry, guys. I'm coming.
Oh wow, you can go really fast. Oh, thanks for the boost.
Unfortunate for you. Please pull over.
I wobble.
This car sucks. Let me get me out of it. Let me get that green Mercedes. Billboard. Ooh. I like this car.
We're smoking.
Oops.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Ryan.
Oh god!
Ah! Oh, I got that clipped.
Oh yeah, you're on fire. My car is more destructible. Or indestructible.
What do you mean?
Oh.
Slow off a ramp first of all. Unfortunately.
A motorcycle.
Oh my god.
I'm perfectly okay.
Alright, it's time for advertisement.
Advertising.
Advertising.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Okay, are you able to go up here?
Yes. I assume so.
It's a garage.
Whoa.
Ow!
I'm coming for that ass.
Whoa. Whoa, man, whoa.
Oh,
I fell.
he
Why
fell.
is there no headrest?
Okay, get up there. I'm following you. Oh, there we go.
Work.
Why is the thing lifting?
I got it. Wait, I got to the third
Is that a
story.
car lift?
I gotta go one story at a time, or else I'll get stuck. Ronald, wait for me, Ronald. Oh no, maybe I won't get stuck. Oh, yes I will. Yes, I will. Oh no. Well, I'm
I
stuck.
think he's gonna get stuck in the car garage like right there.
Uh-oh. No. No.
Wait, that actually looks so funny. It looks so
How did you manage to do that?
that looks so comical. Okay, wait, hold on. I gotta get myself the.
Is there
motorbike.
something comical about my crushing?
I gotta get myself one of the motorbikes.
Oh. No.
Alright, here we go. Motorbike.
Oh.
I hit a tree.
Oh, this is two-seated. Two-seated. Oh, there we go.
No, no, no.
Wait, hold
You
on.
know what?
Wait,
I
give
have,
me-
I have a
wait.
new goal.
Sorry.
I have a new goal.
How high does this parking garage go?
Very high. It's a fucking parking garage.
Huh?
Alright, let's wait, hold on. Now I gotta try and make it up to the garage.
I achieved my goal.
Alright, here we go. Oh, I saw you.
Oh!
Alright, let's go, Ronald.
I scared Luis off.
Ah!
So achieve my goal from the
I'm
ramp.
in first person and this is sickening. Let's go! Oh crap, I almost fell. Whee!
Hey, careful, man. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Down you go.
Get out of No!
I must get that boy.
No,
Move.
you're not getting me.
Wait, I don't have to. I'll just do it here.
Ow!
Did you fall?
No.
Oh, what the
I pushed him
hell?
off.
But what happened?
Ow!
No.
Wait.
Yeah!
uh-oh, it's not good. I'm stuck right. Ah! I'm falling! Ah! Help!
Yeah!
Alright, let's go.
I don't like this. I don't like this bike.
Oh, I almost just fell again. No! Ow!
I've achieved my goal.
These bikes are lame.
Oh!
Hey there!
Ah!
Oh! Oh god!
So you want to get up?
I hate these
Yeah.
bikes.
Yeah!
Bro, I love the gravity on all of these. They're so funny. They make the physics level.
Whoa! What am I being?
Don't you dare! No! I was so close. I probably wasn't. Uh-oh, my car.
I sent
My
them
car.
off, dude.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm going down! Dude, I was falling down like dominoes!
How far did you go? Oh, you haven't made it past like the 50% mark yet. Hello there.
Hi.
Alright, let's try this again. Here we go. What in...
I know you're waiting for me up there.
Ronald, why are you big?
Wait, kick him off, kick him off.
Okay, I gotta get
come
up.
on.
I gotta get up the hill
Yeah.
now. I gotta get up the thing.
Oh, you're too fat.
I'll do it. I'll kick him off.
Why is this so... my car's too big.
Loose fell on his head like a toddler, bro.
My car's too big.
Ah!
I hate all these cars. Ronald, what the? Oh, yeah, that is actually.
No.
What's an actual good car to rise this in a good way?
I don't know.
I can't tell. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the first one, the BMW.
Oh god. Oh shit.
Okay, this might be good.
That's not fair.
Ow! The bike!
Perfectly fair.
You're passing by, thank you.
No.
Ah, my car!
Did you go upside down?
Yes, and I'm stuck.
It's not a new car.
I'm about to be done with all of
Not
these
a new
cars.
I think you need to not go in the parking garage anymore.
No, I want to make it up.
Just go on the ramp, like I do.
Do you want me to?
Find myself.
Wait, Ron, can you drive me?
Yeah, I can do it.
Alright.
Get my bike.
Wait, hold on. Let me just try this one first. Just really fast. Let's see
Alright.
what this does.
I don't know where Luz is at, but I'll find him eventually.
I'll be on the top by the time you find me. Fuck!
Oh.
Wait. Never mind, that's something else. Why are you walking? Why are you cheating?
That's where I was. Come on.
Going down in a very unethical way.
Ah,
Sorry.
oh. There.
I'm trying to help.
Uh-oh. You just kind of knocked him off.
You killed my engine. you killed my engine.
I see it just
Oh, look.
burning down there. I don't
A
even
car
wanna
exploding.
It's gonna explode, bro.
It's gonna, yeah.
Ronald, do you want to ride in my car? Uh-oh.
There's a truck. Uh-oh.
No! It's stuck. Oh, there it goes. Oh, great. It's a little. Oh, there it goes.
No.
Not again! Stop! No, reverse, so you don't hit me.
I can't move this damn thing.
Donovan, stop it! I'm trying to get up.
I think you need another vehicle.
Wait, Donovan, don't respawn another. I'm gonna do something funny.
This is the best vehicle. It's gotten me up this far.
No.
Wait, who wants to drive in my car? Luis, you want to get in?
I can open the back.
Oh, it's a two-seater. Sorry, Ronald. You're gonna have to deal with.
Oh, so I shot myself into the parking garage above these guys, and now I've just been annoying to them.
Ah, no! Ah!
What the hell?
I'm done.
Let's go.
Wait, what car was that? I don't even remember. Oh, it's this one.
one.
All right, let's go again. Ronald, do you want to ride in my car?
Whoa.
All right, let's try this. Oh wait, why don't we? Oh no, because it'll probably be something reverse the whole way up.
Oh. No.
Wait, Luis, look at Luis's car. Look at.
You're gonna do it, Lee. You're gonna make it.
Oh. He's like, oh, I'm gonna make it officially.
He's wiggling.
It's so tiny. All right, let's go. Let's go.
I'll
again.
keep him on there.
Wait, Ronald, can you get that truck off?
I can't do anything. Actually, yes I can. Come on. Oh, okay, never mind.
Luis, let's go! Oh, there he goes. Ah!
There's more where that came
Get that truck out of here!
Oh, they're all gonna do it.
Yeah. No! Ah! I just want to get
Bro.
to the top!
Ah, this is a.
Oh, hold on. I know a good idea. Bye bye. And bye bye.
All I want to
didn't
do
go
is
bye-bye.
get to the top. Ronald, you want to ride in my car?
There you go. He went bye bye.
Ronald, you want to get in my car?
Hold on, I'm doing something.
Ow!
He will never hurt us again.
Oh, are you on this plane?
I'll get it out of here. Wait a minute. Twing. Oh.
No!
I'm stuck in a seating. I'm stuck in a seating position.
Ronald,
How are they
please,
back?
Please get the. Ronald, get in my car. You're stuck in a seating position and it's hilarious. Get in my car. You look so stupid. These trucks need to go. Oh, I just missed that. Wait, is there another ramp or is this like the only one in the map?
It's like.
This is the only one in the map.
Oh.
These guys need to stop spawning trucks on the damn ramp so I can get up.
They're not going to. I know them. That's what it does when you get hit by a house. Not really. It's isolated.
I'm on it.
So it's not as dangerous. Oh.
I don't understand why they have fun doing this. This is not even. This doesn't look entertaining.
Welcome to the foos.
They're spread the fire.
Oh, wait a minute. What if I just...
No! Ah! Wait, how the hell?
What did I do?
Okay,
No?
wait, hold on.
Oh, I don't.
Hey! No! No! Please! I'm
can't push
almost
you.
there!
Oh, here he comes. Bro?
Okay, this is fantastic. Wait, Ronald, I know what we need to do.
What is that?
Here, wait. Just follow me.
Bro, this guy
He's gonna
gotta
do this
go.
for every level that we climb up on. Oh,
I got
there he flies. Oh, it's our
Wrong way,
chance.
I'm gonna
Wait,
do
what the?
that.
Oh, wait, no, we just gotta get past this and then we're good. What the hell is that noise? He's not gonna get up here.
That's not fast enough.
It's finally working. It's finally
Luis, goddamn, Luis.
working. The hell?
Who's doing that?
Wait, Luis, are you on top? What kind of truck horn is that?
Oh, let me stop that.
I can't hear a
Oh,
single
we're
know.
pretty high.
Down me, maybe.
It's okay, I know it's how to get to the top of there.
You guys stop very quickly.
If I can eagle it correctly.
Wait,
Who the
we're
hell's
almost there.
honking so loud?
Wait, we're almost there.
Luis, I'm gonna kill you.
Fling me right now.
Fling your why?
Do it. Let's do it.
Whoa.
Oh, look, look. Oh, there he is.
What is this?
It's a
wait,
lift.
wait! It's an elevator!
I told you to take it a while ago.
No, Luis tried it. It was working really badly.
Oh, wait, let's try it. Get on.
Alright.
Oh, wait, can I click it? Alright, let's go.
It's a car. It's for cars.
Wait,
I want to know how this works on the car.
Stop! Go back up.
Okay,
This is faster. What the hell?
Okay, good. Okay, let's stay up here. I'm gonna get my my Saab.
Shut up.
Green Saab. This is my favorite car so far. Let's just kind of ride in it. You know what I mean? Ronald, let's ride.
Bro. Yeah, I got you.
Dude, I don't. Wait, Ronald, was that you?
Yeah.
How did you do
I got admin.
We need to get up on that ramp. Right there.
Oh, this ramp?
How are you
You
up
can tele-
there? Oh, there
We
you go.
just teleport there.
I've been telling you to go there the entire game.
Okay, but I want to discover the street first.
I know, but like, it's been there the entire time.
Let's go!
Hey, Ronald, you want to spawn a
Where's
target?
the spawn? I'm gonna go find the spawn.
Go to the parking lot.
Oh, target's right here. Alright, wait, is this where the map 2 is? Right here?
Oh yeah, the gray button.
Gotta push him off. Gotta push him off.
Crap.
I'll spawn a target for you guys.
Get out of here!
Hold on. Hold on. We just need to spawn target.
Ah! Finally, yes! I'm here.
Okay.
Wait, where's the ramp?
Your butt.
Down here.
Wait,
It's that
where's-
way.
Oh, it's that way? Okay, wait. Ronald, do you want to get in my car?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ronald, spawn a target since
Here's
you're
where
going to
we're
be with Ryan anyways.
We're gonna go.
Luis is doing it right now, I think.
Yeah,
I
Luis is
did,
the target.
I have the target.
Oh boy.
Are you ready to slide?
No, we should have Ryan in
Yeah.
first person be the target.
Alright, is it right here?
Yes.
He's gonna spin off. I already know.
Holy shit!
Oh.
Our hood and bottom came off.
Nice.
But we're fine. We're doing okay. Oh, great.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Love, oh,
I gotta snipe the target with the target.
great light. Alright, wait, how do
Oh,
we
you gonna
respawn?
snipe it with the
How do we
bus?
go back to the spawn?
Just reset. Oh shit.
Oh, just reset.
Stuck the landing.
Alright. Oh,
Almost.
teleport to map. Teleport to ramp. Alright, where's that? Oh, here it is. Okay. What should I
You
take
can't hit it
this
now.
time?
It's too late. No.
Hey, Brian, you waste money.
Whoa, I know what to take. Hold on.
Did I just scoop Luis in the butt?
You gotta spin off again.
It's a very careful. What are you?
I'm gonna take this thing.
What is it?
Ronald, what the hell are you doing? Why are you spinning? Ronald, why are you spinning?
No.
Oh, there he goes. Alright, wait, where's the ramp? Oh, it's right over here. Alright, let's go. Wait, Ronald, should I wait for you to come back
You
up?
spin off.
Spin.
I'm going to watch you spin off.
Ronald, should I wait for you to come back up? Actually, wait.
You're in the one seater, bro.
Let's go.
Who is under my vehicle and why? Called it.
Oh, why was there like no
Ronald-
sound effects?
Ronald, may you please spin me?
Whoa. Oh.
My body is broken. Oh, I'm retaching.
I broke.
Whose car got stuck? Oh, that's yours.
I'll stay here for now. I'll go first person in the bus.
I'm reattaching, guys.
Alright, what are we taking? Oh, I guess we should
Ronald,
take a
Ronald,
bus.
can you spin
Let's.
me?
I'm gonna take a
Can we
bus.
Spin.
Who wants to ride the bus with
Yeah, I'll
me?
make you spin.
Who
How
wants
fast
to
do you want me
ride?
to make you spin?
Who wants to ride the
As
bus
fast
with
as you
me?
can. I just want to see if it works while I'm doing.
Uh-oh, wait. I missed what happened.
I'm lagging, Ronald. Is there no way to stop it?
Yeah.
If you stop it, my car is destroyed. I am gone.
What's happening?
So I spun Bobby as fast as I could in the game, and then
I'm trying to get inside.
he lagged.
My car was there, and then it's now. No, my gameplay has just been paused. My game. Can you, Ronald? Can you reset my character? Can you kill me?
There we go.
Yeah.
Please do.
Alright, Ronald, do you wanna...
I'm in
Moving a
the
little.
null zone.
Donovan, press R and S.
Alright, are you ready, Ronald?
Stop moving the
Yeah.
bus.
Wait, Bobby, do you wanna get inside?
Wait, Ryan. Wait, Ronald. You should make Ryan spin as fast as you can. Show him.
Okay, hold
Do
on.
I have to?
Yeah, let's go, let's
Yes.
go, let's spin!
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it as soon as I start flying.
Whee!
I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
I flew!
I saw that.
Guys,
Wait, please.
Yeah.
I accidentally pressed spacebar. Wait, no, we gotta do that again.
Oh, I gotta rejoin. My thing is broken.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, that
Ronald,
was...
Ronald, when you rejoin, make me spin as fast as possible.
Wait, that was hilarious. Wait, no, we have to do that again. No, because I pressed space and then I was freaking spinning out to the oblivion. It was the funniest thing.
Ronald, spin.
Okay, let me
Alright.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, Luis, are you ready to lag? Horribly
Yep.
bad.
I am ready.
Okay,
Wait,
Ronald. So
we
as soon as you
I
start
want to
flying,
see what happens.
go ahead, spin again. But this time I'm
Wait,
not gonna hit
hold.
spacebar.
I'll share my screen.
Yeah, share your screen. I want to see what happens. First, I'm gonna do it to Luis because they're requesting.
No, do it
Okay.
to me because I'm driving the car.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, let me go to Discord and see.
Alright, let me know when you guys are ready.
I've been
I'm
ready.
ready.
3,
Let's go.
2, 1.
Oh god!
Oh look, we're a flying saucer now.
It's still going. It's still going. Oh
We're a Beyblade.
Oh my! It's like pinball.
Drive.
Make it continue.
Continue.
Yes.
Wait, Ronald, how are you doing that?
Admin command.
He's server owner.
Oh.
Ronald, continue the spinning.
Oh.
Oh! Oh, we died! Wait.
All right, wait, Ronald, are you ready?
Yeah.
In the bus
All
after
right.
you.
Sorry. Bobby, you want to get in?
I want to
So
see.
we,
it.
do you want to
hold
spin?
on.
Uh-oh, he's in
Okay,
the car above us. All right,
Stack
let's see
the
how this
car.
pans out. Let's go. Oh wait,
Oh no, I'm stuck in the. I'm stuck in here.
let's go.
Spin.
It's
Ronald,
you-
Ryan, spin.
you. No. No, we can't.
Oh, wait,
We have to go off the slope. Let's go. Oh, bye bye.
Oh, I'm going down. I'm going down.
Yeah!
Oh, I see
Where are we
bus
going?
fly.
Where are we going?
Oh, we died.
We went away.
I just witnessed
How
a
did we
bus
die?
go flying.
Okay, hold on. What are we taking next?
Hold
Wait,
on,
let's do a
hold on.
bus.
Hold on, guys. I know how to snipe the bus. I know how to snipe the target.
Wait, is someone already taking the bus? No, we'll just do this.
Oh, I spawned in the bus.
No, I spawned in the bus.
Guys, I did
No,
not.
I spawned inside.
Guys, I did not
Oh,
snipe
oh.
the target. I
He did
instead rolled off
spawn
the
inside
bike.
the bus. All right, let's get it cracking.
Oh, way in the back.
All right, wait, is everyone gonna come in?
Why did I
Whoa.
just super jump? Hold on.
Making the bus shake.
No.
Wait, Luis, are you seated? Oh, he
Yeah.
is. Bobby, are you
Here
gonna?
we go.
Oh, no.
Oh god!
Okay, hold on, I got started.
Yeah.
What the?
Ah, I need to reverse.
Yeah.
Are you breaking?
Let's go!
Alright, as soon as we fly off, we're gonna spin.
Oh, bye, Bobby.
I'm still here. Oh,
Oh, there we go.
Shit!
Wait, we were upside down. Ah!
oh.
It's even further than left.
Hold on, I have a question. Who did you spin?
Huh?
Who did you spin?
Ryan? Oh!
Oh, it affected me.
What is happening?
I got
How?
rocket launched off of my bike.
That's crazy. Okay, wait. Are we gonna take the bus again? Wait,
Uh,
hold on.
yeah.
I know. Let's take the lower quality bus. We're gonna take the
Hey, Ryan?
low quality bus.
I need to rejoin.
Just
it's not
because.
respawn.
There, thank you for opening the door. Alright, here we go. Wait,
I'm so
Bobby, are you gonna be on top of us
I'm in the
again?
back.
No, I'm just gonna rejoin.
Alright. Alright, I'm willing to go once Ronald finds a seat. How the hell are you small?
He's a kid.
Oh, he is a kid. Hey kid, are you ready for the ride of your life?
Yeah.
Okay.
Super dope.
Here we go. Oh, crap. Oh crap. Oh. What?
I almost crashed.
What happened? We crashed.
Wait, Ryan, don't get in a car yet.
Okay,
Okay,
fine,
now you're good to go.
I won't. Okay. Okay.
I have to unspin it every time I spin stuff.
Okay, you're good.
Guys, I think.
Okay,
the
we're
better
gonna get
question
in
is,
the
what
police
happened to
car.
me?
Whoa,
What
whoa.
the hell?
What?
Ronald, what are you doing?
What happened to the car?
Ronald,
That's not me.
what? Ronald, it's
Ronald, make me
levitating.
spin. Ronald, make me spin,
Oh.
trust.
Ronald, what the hell was that?
That wasn't me.
Okay, we're gonna ride in the ambulance. Wait, I'm in the passenger seat.
I
that's
become
not
a
right.
Beyblade. What is this?
Let's go, ambulance.
Can I get in?
Oh, Luis is in the back
I'm
Ronald, get
a
in the
sick
passenger.
person.
for this car rides off.
I'm the patient. You guys
Alright,
are
here we
take
go.
care of me.
Okay, Luis, you are gonna be fine. We just need to get you to the hospital, and you're gonna be just fine. Okay, we're gonna take care of you. You're gonna live.
You know what?
You're gonna.
I got COVID. I need the help.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Where we going?
Where are we going?
Are
Where
we
are
okay?
We're not okay.
Luis, you're alive.
Am I? Am I alive?
I think you're okay. We're still going. I can't really turn.
It generally doesn't even matter, so
Oh.
just voting.
I gotta turn the car on. I
Oh, it's on
can't.
fire.
I can't turn the car on.
you make
Okay,
it
well,
to
you know what the
hospital?
best thing to do right now is to, right?
So
It's a
patient,
spin.
are you okay?
I've never been.
You know the
I've
best
never
thing to
been
do
better.
right now
What?
is to spin.
Spin?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Oh man.
We're heading straight on
we
that bullet.
go.
We're gonna fly as soon as we hit it.
Oh.
We're having a nice little adventure of spinning.
Take me to the hospital.
Oh, there we go.
We are taking it straight to the hospital.
Yep, and now we're. Yep, we're going straight to the hospital. We're going right to the hospital. We're not even like oh no, this is a shortcut. This is oh,
Oh!
and we're there. We're at the hospital.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
Let me unspin.
Amber lamps.
Okay, you're good. Roblox gun. Okay.
Does it work?
Oh, I didn't shoot.
Oh, what the hell is Alex doing in here?
Grr! Why is Alex in here? Not that serious.
I'm not allowed to ask questions anymore?
I guess.
Why'd you say it like that? You're like, ew, why is Alex
Yeah, well, why'd you mimic me like that?
kind of condescending about it?
Whoa, Liz.
Hey,
Oh crap.
you're always condescending. What are you talking about?
Oh, wait a minute.
Alright, let's go. Fire truck.
I need someone's user ID.
Well, too bad. Get in my fire truck.
For what? For audio?
No.
Wait, what do you need it for? It's like asking what's your social security number.
Look at me.
Oh, what the hell?
Wait, what?
What did you do? What? No! You're not me!
Dude!
Ronald,
Car.
get in the passenger seat right now.
Okay, hold on. Let me change back. Let me change back.
You tell me.
Get in the passenger seat or I'm going in the passenger
Get in the
seat.
passenger seat right now.
Let me. I'm gonna change back. Hold on.
Alex, get out of here. Get in the back.
Why?
Because I need to sit. No, I
Yeah,
need
I'm
to sit
back.
with me. Oh, okay, okay, sure. This is
You
cool.
need to sit with you?
All right, are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yo, there's a.
How do you fix it? Oh, there you go.
How the hell did you do that?
What did you just do?
All
I
right,
don't know.
there's a fire over by the ramp, so we gotta go get it. Let's go.
We.
Way!
Go for it.
Oh! Ah! What? Oh
my God.
Crap! Whoa!
Oh god, we are the fire.
Yes, we are. Hey, no, hey, guess what? We didn't start it though.
Oh my god!
Hey, get up.
We are the fire. Hold on, here we go.
Hey
I'm
guys.
good.
Hey, Ronald. It's a nice fire.
Please eat your burger with us.
Luis, eat your burger.
I'm gonna just.
Bring the engine down.
Luis,
It's a nice
eat your damn
warm
burger.
smoke.
There we go.
How do you get the fire extinguisher?
Just pick the back of the truck.
This is not a fish burger, right?
No.
This is play a fish. But you're eating right now. You're eating a burger.
I gotta go to the ramp. I'm gonna see what you guys do while I'm gone.
This one, me, this. Hello.
Oh my god.
Put away your burgers. There's an
You
imposter.
think you're better than me?
There's an imposter.
It's so weird to see two Mr. Men.
I am not liking this so much. I don't like to see both of you.
Jesus. It's so weird.
I don't like it. Stop.
I'm gonna make
Help!
everybody Mr. Man.
Help! There's three!
Just
And stand right here. Okay.
Ah!
Stand right here.
Help!
Yeah, stay right here. And you. Go right here.
I'm a Mr. Man.
oh,
Okay.
oh.
Wait,
No,
what is
look
he-
at me.
What's he
Both of you
doing?
look at me. Look at me. There we go.
I'm looking at you. What is happening?
Thank you.
What did you need that for?
Hold on.
Ronald,
Look at
stack
Jenner
it.
when I tell you to.
Ronald, stack it. Ronald. Yay!
The Mr. Man stack.
Alright, I'm looking at general, so I'll wait for your thing to come in. Oh. That's funny. You should have made us point, though.
I know we
There's no
can't point,
pointing.
sadly. Wait. Yes, you can.
Ah!
Wait,
how?
yeah, wait. Let's do it again. Just do /E point.
How?
E
What?
point.
What is it?
Slash. Like this.
Oh, slash. Oh,
There's no space on E.
Yeah.
slash E.
Okay.
On the count of
Why am I
3, we'll do it.
capitals? Wait! Okay, I'm
Yeah,
ready.
when you guys are ready. Count it.
Wait, does it hold or does it just go instant?
It's like a whole animation.
Okay.
Look at him.
3.
Oh, like,
Oh wait, who's ready?
No. Look at Ryan.
oh, look around. Okay.
Who? Okay, who? Someone
Ready?
count down.
Alright, you count down. You
3,
count down.
2, 1.
Oh, okay, I got it clipped.
Did you almost get it?
Let's try again.
Okay, hold on.
I'm locked in.
Wait.
Me too.
All right, I think I'm ready. 3,
Ready.
2, 1.
Really?
What? Oh,
can't-
yeah. You,
It doesn't let me do it.
you know, I'm gonna try doing that.
Okay, yeah.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, I got it!
That was
No
I was
way.
perfect, and I saw it. That was perfect.
Oh, no, my point was off. But it's okay. I guess.
That's pretty cool. That's more accurate. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the VOD. We're now all Mr. Mans. Mr. Men.
Yeah, we're all Mr.
We're
Man.
all Mr. Men. So, this was Crashing Cars. I'm never gonna do this again. You'll see a video probably in 2 Saturdays from now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.